with, you need to make sure you've got a worksheet, a water pot only half full, paintbrush and a palette. And in your palette you want blue, red and yellow, which are the primary colours, and white and black, which you'll use later. Start by dipping your paintbrush in the water and then taking the excess off at the side. And then come over to your paint. I'm going to do red first and mix it up. Maybe a little bit more water than that. And you don't want it too runny, too watery. You want it a nice thickness like that. Then we go over to the worksheet. Not the outer section, not the inner section. You're doing this ring in the middle. Choose the section you want and you start by painting the corners, then the edges, and then the inner section. And when you start to feel your paintbrush drying out, a bit more water, a bit more paint, just to finish off that section. When you're holding your paintbrush, make sure that you hold it close to the silver part, not at the end there, or you won't have control. Down here, that's about right. So once you've finished your red, you're going to paint this section here and this section here with the other two primary colours. So leave 3, put blue, leave 3 and paint this bit yellow. So once you've completed that, your sheet should look like this with the 3 primary colours. Once you've done your primary colours, we're going to move on to the secondary colours, which are a mixture of the primary colours. So yellow and red makes orange, mix an orange in here. Red and blue, mix them together to put a purple here, and blue and yellow, mix them together to put a green here. When you're mixing, let's mix a green, we always take the darker colour to the lighter colour. So we're doing blue and yellow, get some blue, mix that up to the right thickness and bring it over to the lighter colour. So when you're doing orange, you'll bring the red over to the yellow, and when you're doing a purple, you bring the blue over to the red. I think we need a little bit more water and mix that until it's a nice green. And your green will go halfway between the yellow and the blue in here. Once you've done all of the secondary colours, your sheet should look like this. Now have a go yourself.